Hey, what's up, guys? I'm just having dinner right here. I went to this little market, and I guess I don't know where exactly, but what I got is I got a beef kebab and a chicken kebab, and it comes with this wrap, my bread, some cilantro, and an onion right here. And this is bomb measurement because I had this before, and it was just one of those, hole in the wall kind of place, and it's really good. So you guys gotta check it out. And yeah, I'll film you the direction. Put a little cilantro on it. Grab a chicken here. So here it is. What it look like. It's very good. Welcome. Look at beef right here. Oh, good. Oh, market.